In this video, I'll show you how to add a vignette effect to your video in Premiere Pro. I've just dropped a video clip into my timeline, and now I want to give it a subtle vignette to enhance the look. First, head over to the Effects panel and type Lumetri Color into the search bar. Drag the Lumetri Color effect onto your clip. Then go up to the Effect Controls panel and find the Lumetri Color section. Scroll down and open the Vignette settings. To create a white vignette, increase the amount to a positive value. For a classic black vignette, decrease the amount to a negative number. You can adjust the midpoint to control the size. The lower the value, the larger the vignette. And to soften the edges, increase the feather setting so it blends more naturally into your footage. And that's all there is to it. A quick and simple way to add some visual focus and style to your video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.